Today I'm going to demo the fruit skewer recipe. So you're going to need to have a cutting board, a knife, a fork, and a measuring cup. The first thing we're going to do is take the top off the strawberry, and your kid can do this either just by slicing. As an adult, I like to do what's called hulling, which is where I put my knife in at an angle, 45 degrees. I push my thumb down on top of the little green stem, and then I just gently twist around so I can just pull out the green part. Okay, so that's how I prep my strawberries. You can do all of your strawberries at once. And then what you're gonna do is I have these index cards that have patterns on them based on the color of each fruit. So I'm gonna take my stick here, and I like to use the Wilton's lollipop sticks because these don't have sharp edges, so they're not gonna hurt your fingers. And then I just look at my card here and I see blue, so I'm gonna match that with a blueberry. And just twist that to get it on. Orange is a piece of cantaloupe, which I've already prepped. Twist that on. And then I have the strawberry, which I've cut, so I'm just gonna put that on gently. And this is a great fine motor skill practice, but also it's pattern recognition. Green for the grapes. And you can use whatever color grapes you'd like. You do not have to use these colors. You can use any fruit that your family likes. You can use something soft, so you could substitute any kind of melon. You could do any color grape. You could do mango. You could do kiwi if your family's into that. So basically, you're just going to get, or your kid is going to create these beautiful, colorful fruit skewers. And then at the end of the recipe, once we have all of our skewers assembled, we're going to mix together the yogurt, the honey, and the vanilla to create a little dipping sauce. So then what your kid can do is just gently dip their fruit skewer into the yogurt sauce and have a really nice snack or a dessert.